Well, my camera cut out, so this is all that remains. There's a piece. There's a piece. There's the shackle, which is still really cold. Also the core, which is also really cold. I didn't really think this through. Let's try to get this apart. Well, it still works. So that's good. Fuck. Damn it. That's really cold. There we go. Try to hold this. I actually had to go outside and slam this thing on the ground, and a piece of it, I don't know exactly which part, it flew up into my neighbor's window. I could hear it bouncing around up there, so I'm expecting to get an angry phone call today. Okay. That is extremely painful. Also, yeah, here's the liquid nitrogen. Nice and cold. All right, let's got this thing, I guess, without hurting myself. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, go. No, fuck, no. No, it's frozen. This is such a bad idea. Why did I think this was smart? Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, thank God. Leave this in for now. Number 1. Oh, fuck. 2. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Sorry, out of frame. Now, how are we gonna do this? One is a spool. 2, also a spool. 3, what do you know? It's a spool. 4, spool. Let's go around. 6, come on. Spool. 5, serrated. So there's that. There's, I don't know what to say. That was fun. Also really cold. Well, hope you enjoyed it. Bye.